My name is Faith Lewis.
Olivia Hughes.
Christiana, and I am a private events manager.
Crocheter.
Student athlete.
National Guard. I'm starting at Yale Law School.
I don't have any experience handling my finances.
As a couple, we don't really consult anybody about our finances. It would be nice if we had someone to consult.
How do I build credit?
Running my first apartment.
How to ask for a raise for myself.
I'm Jean Chatzky. I'm a financial expert. Here's the way to get started. What you do need to do is get your ducks in a row.
Using my jargon.
My student loans.
Your credit score runs from 350 to 850.
Pay down on my undergraduate student loans.
I just want to learn the do's and the don'ts of a credit card.
Apply for a secured credit card by making a small deposit with the bank. You are looking at a lot of exciting things in your life, and we want to make sure that you do it in the most financially responsible and financially valuable way to you.